Hello, this is Weixiang from Audio-Technica live at InfoComm 2026. This year we are proud to present a diverse portfolio of products tailored specifically for the installed solution market. For wireless applications, we are highlighting the System 20 Pro 2.4 GHz system alongside our Engineered Sound Wireless DECT microphone system. If you are looking for wired solutions, we invite you to experience our ATDM-1061 beamforming array microphone, as well as the ES964 and ES954 steerable array microphones, all seamlessly integrated with our advanced smart mixer, the ATDM-0604a and ATDM-1012. Finally, the main highlights making the debut for this year are our latest innovations, the ATSP30 network seating speakers and the D50 digital UHF wireless microphone system. We look forward to welcoming you at the Audio-Technica booth H01.